Hey everybody, it's Steph. I'm sorry for the long time between videos. 2023 is the gift that keeps giving of crap that keeps rolling downhill. This is not a video on a how-to for glass. This is actually a Christmas gift video. But I will be having a video out shortly about cobalt oxide because I've had some people asking me about cobalt oxide, so I picked some up. I thought I'd play with it and we could see how it differs versus copper oxide and copper carbonate. So back to the purpose of this video. I have a few things in my Etsy shop that are gift related for glass artists. Some are for any glass artist, including stained glass or, well, anybody who cuts glass, so stained glass and fused glass. Some are more specific for glass fusers, but I wanted to do a quick video showing you a few of the things I had and talking about them in case you had a glass fuser in your life that you didn't know what to buy for, that you were maybe looking for a gift that wasn't a gift of your own. Especially if you're a fuser, we always feel funny giving our own glass to other glass fusers. So the first thing I have are a pair of ornaments, and ordinarily I'd have the samples here and I'd be showing them to you, but I had an original design, I had it printed, and the way they put the holes in the ornaments, it interfered with the design, so I reconfigured it, and so the samples I have no longer match. So I'm going to put them on the screen. They are 2.7 inches or 7 centimeters, and they say, one of them says, measure twice, cut once, because as you know, anybody who's cut glass, well, we've all been there. And we've all cut a glass too big or too short. Too big is not so bad, too short is. And then the other one is you can never have enough glass because, well, you look at my glass over here, the glass bug has bitten us all. So I have those in my shop. They're available. I don't make them. They are 7 centimeters or 2.7 inches and 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters thick. They are ceramic with a dye sublimation, and I have them printed on demand for folks because I don't have a sublimation printer. I am looking into that, but I have enough hobbies. I really don't need another one. So I have a couple of ornaments in the shop. I also have some apparel that some people might find fun. I have this shirt that my friend Naughty did the art for. It says, prayers to the kiln gods. Do I have it up high enough? Yeah, prayers to the kiln gods. Because that's what I always say when I get my stuff in the kiln. I mean, you pick your kiln gods. Somebody I know uses, I believe, Gumby. But I love this one because it's got bandages and blood and everything, because who hasn't cut themselves? This shirt in question I'm holding is a 2X, and through the magic of editing, I will be wearing it for you. So this is what a 2X looks like on a fairly chunky, robust woman. I have football players' shoulders. I have to wear larger women's clothes. In a men's, I wear, this is a unisex shirt, so this is a 2X shirt. In a men's jacket, I tend to wear an extra large. So that'll give you an idea on how it fits. Again, it is a print-on-demand item. I'm putting my jacket on because it's under 40 degrees in my garage, and I am freezing. It is also print on demand because I didn't want to carry a whole stock of shirts. Comes in a couple of colors, and I have it in an apron to match. I don't have the apron because they were out of stock for about 4 months this summer, and I didn't get a chance to order a sample, but I want to because you can never have enough aprons to lose all your stuff in the pockets because, hey, they're in your pockets, and then you forget exactly where your tools are. So those are the 4 big things that I have that are made by another manufacturer. And the 5th thing I have is a gift box, not necessarily for you, the glass fuser, but if you know a glass fuser in your life, especially somebody who's looking to get into freeze and fuse or wants to play with copper oxide, but has been too shy to play or to purchase a piece, this is a good gift box for them. Now what I'm going to do is switch over to my overhead view, and we're going to go through the gift box real quick. Okay, I desperately need to get a double setup for filming these things. That's 2024's goal. So this is a little box, 7 by 5 by 2, easily shipped. Comes with a little sticker that I don't have on this one because I'm opening. So it comes all nice and sealed for you to give to somebody. You open it up, and inside is a 1/2 ounce of copper oxide powder. A little mold. This is a heart mold. Let's see if I can open it without ruining the sticker on it. Yep, opens in front. This is a little silicone heart mold, good for filling. It's about 3/4 of an inch deep, makes the heart about 1.5 to 2 inches tall and wide. Takes about 3/4 of an ounce of frit. Frit is not included in this because I wanted to make a kit that was available for anybody who used glass, and this is, you know, coefficient non-specific. So, cute little mold for people to get started that lets them taste the freeze-infused bug if they choose. And if they don't choose, well, you know, they can do something else with the mold or give it away. So, little mold as it rattles in the cellophane. That's option number 2. Tea straining sifter, because you can never have enough of these for dipping in all of your little jars of frit. I mean, it doesn't work so well for fine, but I don't have any powder at the desk. So, strainer. In here is a small pipette in case you choose to be like me and drip water on your molds as opposed to making a slurry and filling your molds. And a small 7-inch paintbrush, well, 6.5-inch paintbrush, for working around the edges of any sort of mold. I use these a lot for Color de Verre molds. They come in a little baggie. Set them back. A tiny frit spoon, about 4 inches long. These are great for pouring things in, measuring powder, also for working for fine frit if you want to draw little lines and things. Pro tip, you can also put one in a vise and squeeze the ends, and they make a fantastic sort of end of frit spoon. I have some of these at home that I really like to do. So these work great. And then a nice set of angled tweezers, because you can never have enough tweezers. I have 8 pair. I can never find them. So that's 7 items in the box. It makes a nice little box, and I'm thinking here for Black Friday what I'll probably end up doing is throwing in a baggie of copper carbonate as well. That way you can have 2 different styles of bubbles as the carbonate makes smaller bubbles. And that is my 5th item that is available as a little Christmas gift. I ship worldwide, and Printify takes a few days to print and ship my items. That's who I work with as a partner. I believe Monster Digital prints my shirts. Imagine Your Photos prints my ornaments, and I'm not sure who prints the aprons. They're out of Canada. But they print pretty quick and they ship. So as long as you order by about the 6th or 8th of December, they will get out. These will ship next day because I have them all packaged here at home because they are assembled by me. And I have a Black Friday sale running until Tuesday. So if you are interested, everything is 25% off. And if you're not, hey, I appreciate you watching this video anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another video.
Hey, it's Steph, and I appreciate you watching my video. YouTube will recommend another one down below, so if you want to keep watching, just click on it.